ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. A yogi should know the three bodies. The purpose is to know the self, the Atman, the consciousness principle that we are. That knowledge we have during samadhi by practice of yoga. But for some theoretical understanding, we should also know what are our three bodies and the self. Self is consciousness, self is the pure existence, self is the bliss principle. Now this self is residing in this body, but due to ignorance we think this body as the self. Now this body is not just one, it is three. Gross body or physical body, then second is subtle body or astral body, then third is the causal body. We should have some understanding what these are. If you look into a typical temple structure, what we find in a typical temple structure? The deity is inside the Garbhagriha. The Garbhagriha is a very high peak. The height of the peak, the temple, which is called Rekha Deula sometimes, or sometimes called Bimana, this is very high. And inside that there is the deity. In front of that, there is another temple-like structure, which is generally called Jagamohana. Inside that, there is another temple-like structure. In front of that, another temple-like structure, which is called Natamandapa and Bhogamandapa. Sometimes Natamandapa and Bhogamandapa are one, sometimes two. Now, typically, there are three basic structures. The front one is area is more, middle one area is little less, and the last one, the Garbhagriha, the inner sanctorium, where the deity, the area is further less. But it goes on height, increasing. Symbolically, this front one can be compared with Sthula Sarira, the physical body, the gross body. The middle one symbolically can be compared with Sukshma Sarira, the subtle body or the astral body. And the last one, the inner sanctorium, can be symbolically compared with Karana Sarira, the causal body, and deity as the self. So, this is a symbolism of our body temple. The temple is this, our body is the temple, and inside this body temple is residing the deity called the self, the Atman. Now, this has again three bodies, and we should understand the three bodies. The first one, the front one, is the physical body, the gross body. This body is the physical body, the gross body. This physical body or gross body is made up of 5 gross elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space or ether. Now, these 5 elements are not pure elements. These are called Panchikruta Panchabhuta. Means each element has gone through a process called Panchikarana. That means division and intermixing of 5s. After this Panchikarana, this is called Panchikruta Mahabhuta. Now, this Panchikruta Mahabhuta, after division and intermixing, each element contains a part of the other 4 elements. So now, after this division and intermixing these elements of earth, this Panchikruta earth, physical, the earth element, then this Panchikruta water element, Panchikruta fire element, Panchikruta air element and Panchikruta ether element, they form the material basis for this physical body. Not this body, any physical body. All are, only these five are the elements. Now, these are the materials. What is the cause? Cause is the past action, prarabdha. Satkarma janna. Due to some good actions, due to some noble actions, without any good action or without any noble action, a human body is not available. If a jiva does some good actions, then only he gets a human body, so that he can practice to realize the self. This human body is for the realization of the Atman, realization of the self. So that is not available without some good actions. But we have also many bad actions, and accordingly we enjoy pain and pleasure. And this body is for enjoyment, bhogayatana, the place of enjoyment. This physical body does not enjoy, because physical body is innate. This is the place of enjoyment. Five gross elements, after intermixing, they are the materials. Prarabdha is the cause, the original cause. Then this is for the enjoyment. Otherwise, we can say this body is made of sapta dhatu, 7 biological elements. Sapta dhatu, bone marrow, bone, muscles, fat, skin, blood and nerves. So these 5 elements, they form the body, forming different body parts: hands, legs, eyes, ears, nose, kidney, heart. So that is what the physical body is. Now, along with this, there is another 5. Without that, this body will not be called a gross body. That is Pancha Prana, 5 vital elements: Prana, Apana, Samana, Vyana, Udana. These 5 vital layers. Without that, this body is not able to perform. That is why people, some groupings, they keep 5 vital body in physical body, then they also keep it in the subtle body or the astral body, because this is the link. These 5 vital layers are the link, and the manifestation stage of this physical body is waking state. Now I am in waking state. My eyes work, my ears work, my nose work, my tongue work, my hands work, my legs work. So working state is the manifestation of the physical body. If this prana, pancha prana is not there, then there is no waking state, no dream state, no deep sleep state. It is a dead body. We are not discussing the dead body. But since this is made of physical elements, it has a birth, it has a growth, it has development, birth, growth, it has changes, it has deterioration, it has disease, and it has death. These 6 vikaras. Asti, it exists. Jayate, it takes birth. Vardhate, it grows. Parivartate, it goes through changes. Avakhyate, it goes through deterioration. And finally, death, mrityu. Physical body, all physical bodies has to go through these stages, 6 stages. This is the instrument for which causes, gives a space for enjoyment of the jiva, the individual self. Though it is pure consciousness, but due to ignorance, it is thinking itself as the intellect principle and then the physical body. So this is our physical body. We are not this physical body. We can, when we go to a temple, we don't say the front structure is the deity. Deity after the front structure, then the middle structure, then the inner structure, inside the inner structure. Similarly, the self is inside these 3 bodies. So this is about the gross body, the physical body, sthula sarira. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.